Hi friends, welcome to Radhika's kitchen. Today I'm going to make simple and tasty potato stew. This potato stew goes well with appam and idiyappam. So let's see the ingredients. First we need 3 potatoes cut into cubes. Then 2.5 teaspoon of garlic and it should be finely chopped. 1 onion finely chopped. 4 to 5 green chilli and it should be cut into small pieces. 1 medium tomato and it should be cut into cubes. 1.5 teaspoon ginger finely chopped. 3 tablespoon oil. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. A small piece of cinnamon. 3 cloves. 4 cardamom. Half teaspoon pepper powder. Handful of curry leaves. Salt as needed. And 1 cup of thick coconut milk. 1/4 teaspoon meat masala or garam masala. Now let us see how to make the potato stew. In a pressure cooker, pour some oil. When the oil is hot, add the cinnamon, cardamom and cloves and saute it nicely until a nice aroma comes. Now add the onion, garlic, ginger and the green chillies and saute it nicely till it turns light pink in color. Onion has turned light pink. Now we can add the potatoes and saute it for 2 minutes. Now lower the flame and add the coriander powder and the pepper powder and saute it till the raw smell goes away. Make sure the flame is low, else the masala might get burnt. Nice smell has come from the masala. Now we can add water and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. I have pressure cooked it for 2 whistles. Now pressure is all gone. Now let's open the pressure cooker and see. Potatoes are all cooked well. Now on the stove and add salt, tomatoes, curry leaves and thick coconut milk. Cook the stew in medium flame for 5 minutes. Make sure that the tomato don't turn mushy. If using coconut milk from freshly grated coconut, then add third extract while cooking potatoes. When potatoes are cooked, add second extract with little corn flour. When stew is almost done, add the first extract of coconut milk. It is best to use fresh coconut milk, but nowadays since we don't get time, I have used coconut milk powder to make it easier and faster. 5 minutes is over. Stew is ready now. Just add the meat masala or garam masala and switch off the flame. Simple and tasty potato stew is now ready. It goes well with appam. If you want appam recipe, just click on this link. Please try this recipe. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.